And here we are, the second game, match day 4. It's a big game today. This one is Phoenix, top of the league, against Dawan, who are second at the moment, I believe. And everything to play for, really, for these two top quality teams. Mark, over to you.
Yeah, Phoenix in the red. They are 3-0 against Dawan. They have 2 wins and a draw, tied for second with Dongmen Cheng heading into this game. But Dongmen picked up a win, and now it's up to Dawan to see what they can do.
Ball comes out there to Jason, who kicks it against the opposition. That'll go out for a throw-in. And there's 2 pairs of green shorts on the pitch. And it's hooked in, and there's got behind the defence there as number 15. He's looking for a man in the middle, and there is a man there, and he's put it over the top.
Oh, great early chance for Dawan. Too bad they couldn't do more with it.
You've got to think this Phoenix defence is stingy, and they won't get that many chances.
No, when you get a chance, you really got to take it.
And that was going for the top corner by Shun there. Interesting shot. The keeper dealt with it.
Well struck, well saved.
Corner comes in at the back post. Oh, and was that side netting?
Side netting, yeah. That was Nova Scotia Dave coming in. Nova Scotia Dave the Younger coming in and hitting the side netting.
And there's Shun having a shot. Looks like it got caught up in the defender's legs.
That's a corner.
And it will be a corner.
Action coming fast and furious.
And it's crossed in. Oh, the back post.
Header
Dave
cross face of goal.
Crossed over the top there by perhaps Ralph. I couldn't see clearly. It wasn't very good.
Hard to tell. Here's Edouard.
He's not screaming right now, but he plays it into Dave.
Taking his time.
Dave with an early pass, which is rare. And Shun puts it over the top for Andy to chase.
And he chases it down. Nice little touch.
Lovely touch and a great finish.
An excellent finish. Let's watch this again.
Really showing his skills.
Runs onto the ball. Touch. Defender runs right by him. Sees the open side. Pops it over the keeper.
Completely takes the defender out with that touch, doesn't he? It's a really, really good finish.
Incredible composure.
Great play.
And with that goal, Andy became joint top scorer at 6 with his teammate Jason.
Excellent. Well, good luck to both of them. Goal scoring machines.
Ooh.
And what was that? Was that a goal?
That was a goal, and that was an own goal.
Oh.
Phoenix corner coming in. And the keeper himself decides to just bury that.
Perhaps the Dongmen Chung player at the near post gets a flick or distracts the keeper, and then he doesn't see it landing.
From this angle, it's tough to see, and yeah, there were bodies in front of the keeper. He might not have seen it all the way.
Ball comes out to the middle of the park. Dawan, some possession, green shorts passing out. He's giving it away to Jason. He'll definitely shoot. He loves shooting.
Definitely going to shoot.
And he shoots not very well.
No.
Not up to his high standards.
Quite poorly for him on that one. Keeper easily collects it.
Green shorts, number 19, puts it into the middle of the pitch there. It's flicked on nicely. And a nice stabbing tackle there by Drew. And Andy will take that and run forwards. Shun looks offside.
He is offside now. He wasn't earlier.
But Ollie is not offside. It's crossed into the middle. Oh, and Andy couldn't get a touch.
Great idea coming up the left from Ollie. Couldn't get it quite to his teammate's boot.
Oh, and there's a chance here for Dawan.
They're going to need to do something.
Oh, and he just wasn't quite tall enough, but that's the danger man. Blue shorts.
Didn't miss by much. He was in almost the right position, but not quite.
And here's a free kick for the Phoenix. Shun steps up and puts it over the top.
Yeah, nothing much to say about that, really. No. Physicality.
Yeah, well played there by the Drew there, number 4. And he's played a lovely ball through, but Shun couldn't deal with it. He's hit it on his heels.
Unlucky.
It's nice. And Ian comes in, collects well there, winning it back. And Shun does something ridiculous. Perhaps it was half-time.
Let's go with that. Half-time. Second half kicks off. Phoenix up 2-0 at this point.
1 own goal and Andy's wonderful effort.
That's right.
Shun there in the long pants. He's not very keen on the cold, I hear.
Apparently not. And it's really not that cold, is it?
No, I also heard that Nigerian Andy doesn't like to go out Wednesday nights when it's too cold.
Ah, well. Poor fella.
It must be something to do with being really skillful.
I see.
Oh, and he's giving it away, and Shun goes around the man.
One touch, 2 touch.
Takes it round him. He has a shot. Oh, it's a wonderful piece of skill. Just couldn't quite get the finish.
Yeah, excellent dribbling skills there to go around.
Yeah.
A few players. Too bad about the finish.
And here's Dawan with a chance. Phoenix trying to get back. There's Lee covering his man, playing sensibly, not diving in. Shun trying to get back. Played across to number 3, who cuts inside Jason, who doesn't defend very well. And he's going to have a shot. It's a good shot. Not good enough.
Certainly worth taking, especially with the few chances Dawan have had. It's a shame it wasn't on target.
Flo plays it to Drew. He has a long shot, and we all know what happens then.
Yeah, there's no way that's hitting the net.
He misses. Corner comes in again. It's at the back post. Man jumping, and it might be Andy getting the ball, controlling it nicely. Oh, and the keeper's pulled off a great save there.
Oh, was that the keeper or the post?
One of them.
Either way, the ball stayed out of the net.
Andy again, terrorising that right flank. Ollie wants it cut inside, and he gets it. No, the pass isn't quite right. But Dawan, they know how to defend. And it comes out now to Jason. He'll definitely shoot. Ooh, that's more venom.
That was a much better effort.
More venom. There's last week's man of the match, Ferg, playing it out to 43.
All right, what's Dave going to do here? Oh!
That's a terrible decision. That is a terrible decision, and he's just kicked it right to the man in the middle of the pitch.
Dave could not have done worse there.
Well, let me tell you something. He came off the pitch talking about, I made the right decision. Yeah. And he was greeted with a chorus of disapproval. Well played there by Blue Shorts.
He was alone in that judgment.
He was indeed. Ball comes out there to Ollie. Ollie plays it out, and it looks like Phoenix might be down to 10 men at this moment. I think there's been a red card that we haven't seen.
There certainly is a red card for persistent fouling. 2 yellow cards garnered by none other than Drew.
Nice shot there from Ollie. Distance, got his head over it well, lots of power. But Drew is missing. He was sent off after 2 yellow cards, you tell me.
That's right. It's unfortunate we don't have video of the fouls. Some people say they were just filthy tackles. Some say they weren't that bad.
Well, I mean, if there's anyone who's going to get a red card for 2 tackles that are maybe not that bad, it's going to be Drew.
Oh yeah, no one's surprised that Drew got the first Phoenix red card of the season.
No, and also I know that he's really keen to get mentioned in the commentary, and without any goal scoring obviously going to happen, he's got to do something to get himself mentioned.
Yeah, Drew just loves the attention.
What a twat.